Hey guys, good morning. I'm Ankit. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So I've just woke up and having my first drink of the day, which is lukewarm water and lemon in it. I drink this every single day. I try not to skip this one. I feel alive when I drink this और इसके बहुत सारे benefits भी हैं. It boosts your metabolism and kickstart your day. So that's what I'm doing it. I don't eat anything when I'm drinking this because मुझे सुबह भूख नहीं लगती है इतनी. तो इसको ख़त्म करने के बाद मैं फ्रेश होऊंगा. I'll go to the gym. उसके बाद we'll have our first meal, which is breakfast. So I will see you at the breakfast. Hey guys, so I'm back from the gym और इस समय बज रहे हैं 9 and it's time for the breakfast. So this is what breakfast looks like. We have upma, we have some fruits, apple and kiwi and chai. So guys, I usually eat upma, पोहा, इडली, ऑमलेट. तो कुछ भी ऐसा कुछ ज़्यादा फैंसी नहीं खाता हूँ. जो इजीली घर में बन जाता है मैं वही खाता हूँ और उसके साथ में फ्रूट्स ज़रूर खाता हूँ. Hey guys, so right now just took shower and I'm wearing H&M's tracksuit which I showed you in my last shopping and it's time for snack. So we are gonna eat eggs, 2 eggs. So I'm going to mash them up. Mashed eggs को हमने ब्रेड के ऊपर अच्छे से स्प्रेड कर लिया है. So guys, my snack is ready. मैं usually दिन में 2 अंडे खाने की कोशिश करता हूँ. अगर मैं मॉर्निंग में ब्रेकफास्ट में नहीं खाता हूँ तो मैं स्नैक टाइम पे ज़रूर खा लेता हूँ. तो आज हमने ब्रेकफास्ट में एग्स नहीं खाए थे तो मैं अभी खा रहा हूँ. इसके बाद मैं 1-2 घंटे तक कुछ नहीं खाने वाला हूँ. I'll have my lunch in between 1 to 2 PM. So I'll see you at the lunch time. Hey guys, so it's 1:30 in the afternoon and it's time for lunch. So we are having this dal, aloo matar ki sabzi, 2 chapatis and some onion. So one more thing I do every single day, which is mixing my grains. जैसे कि आज मैं खा रहा हूँ गेहूं की रोटी. Sometimes I eat ज्वार रोटी, sometimes I eat रागी रोटी. इससे क्या होता है? A, it's not boring. B, different grains have different nutrients in it. Hey guys, so it's 4 PM and now it's time to have my evening tea and evening snack. So snack में मैं usually fruit खाता हूँ या फिर कुछ light सा snack. Peanut butter banana toast is my favorite. But आज हम लोग खाने वाले हैं some roasted makhanas and of course tea. Hey guys, so it's 8 PM and मैं usually इस time तक dinner कर लेता हूँ every day. Yeah, so it's time for dinner. Let's see what we are having today. So we are having some rice and some paneer. And of course some onions. So guys, I have this almost every single day. शाम के टाइम पे I usually eat rice और दाल और some सब्जी, but आज पनीर की सब्जी है तो I will not eat any other सब्जी और rice. So pretty much it, very basic, very simple. और इसके बाद अगर मुझे कुछ भूख लगेगी so I'll have glass of milk, that's it. मैं कुछ भी मीठा नहीं खाने वाला हूँ. So it's 9 PM right now and I'm finishing some of my work. I just realized that I'm feeling a little hungry. So we won't be eating anything ulta sida. What we're gonna have is milk. So we are gonna have milk, but there is a twist. We are gonna have it with Bonvita. So guys, this is it. This is my last meal of the day, which is milk, and I'm already in my bed. अब मैं सोऊंगा. So yeah guys, this is what I eat every day. You guys also let me know what you guys eat in a day, like your breakfast, lunch, dinner in the comment section. So yeah, that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please give it a like, do subscribe, and I will see you in the next video. Till then, bye.